Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sophia Camarda if you're new, and today we're going to be doing a CASETiFY haul. I actually have a ton of customized cases today to show you guys. And with these cases, we're going to be doing a lookbook, so we're going to be doing different outfits with the cases. So we are going to be completely serving today. For this first case, this is actually their mirror case, but this is in the black mirror. So it almost has like a smoky look to it, as you could see. And I customized it to say Sophia in the middle, and this is with the skyline font, and this is also in black, so I just thought the black on black would hit. This mirror case is very sturdy. It has like really solid sides, obviously also in black, and it just looks really good on the black iPhone. Obviously this is honestly like me in a case. Like, you guys know I love the black iPhone, and this case complements it so perfectly. It's like the perfect case. For this case, I styled it, of course, with an all black outfit, and this is basically just my alter ego or persona. I just feel like when you think of me, this is my vibe. It's giving very Kris Jenner, very Kardashian. And with this case, I also got this mirror power bank. So this also I customized. It says SC on it. I also did the skyline font on this one with my initials, and I put it in black so that it would match, obviously. And this is in the regular mirror style, so I just thought they would complement each other really well. And their power bank is so nice because it's MagSafe, so it just sticks right onto the back of the phone. The way that they look together is so cool because you have the black mirror as a background, and then you have the regular mirror on the power bank. This combination is just perfect. It's so shiny and eye-catching and extra. And I also got a strap to go with it too. So this is their black and gold rope crossbody, and I got this to go with the case, obviously. It looks like this, and it has these gold details on it, as well as this little chain connector thing here, and this is what connects it to the phone. So it actually comes with a strap card, and you put this inside of your case. Here is what the card looks like, and it even is matched to the strap by having this gold hook down here. So you just go ahead and put the strap card inside the case like this and put your phone in. So now you could see the little hook down here that's going to connect to the crossbody. So you just open it up and hook it on like this, and you can wear it across your body. And the straps are adjustable too, so it's really easy to adjust it to your outfit and your height. And this just looks amazing. Like, this all black ensemble is really doing it for me, and it doesn't stop there. I also got these little silicone beads, and they actually are letters of the alphabet, so they obviously spell out my name. And we're gonna put these on the crossbody and do a little customized crossbody as well, because we are trying to be as extra as possible. So these little beads actually open up like this, so they're very easy to get onto the strap. Obviously we're gonna spell out my name, and we're gonna go ahead and put it on. So if I'm wearing the crossbody this way, I'm gonna want my name to be here, I think. So I'm just gonna stick them on like that. So I got all of the silicone beads on, and here's what it looks like, and it spells out my name perfectly in all these different little colors. So now when I wear it, you can see my name front and center, which is so cute. And you can obviously get creative with this and pick any letters that you want and customize any strap any way that you would like. So that was the mirror case with the skyline font. Next up, we have this brown bioveg case, and I actually did a video on these recently, but I did end up getting this one because I don't have the brown one, and I just went ahead and put my name in the center of the phone like this. And this is with the dot font, so this one is a little bit more minimalistic style font, and the brown is so gorgeous. It reminds me of a coffee, and the fact that it's a neutral color, it'll go with any outfit. So for this one, I went very like minimalistic kind of outfit, like cream and beige tones, and just very like classy, like elegant, almost like simplistic rich, if that makes sense. So that's the kind of vibe I was going for with this look. Beige and brown are one of my favorite colors, so a lot of my clothes are gonna match this case, and it's just so good for my everyday use when I want to switch it up from the black but still have a color that will match most of my outfits. And the bioveg cases are like a vegan leather texture. They're very soft to touch, and I feel like they protect your phone really well. They have kind of like a raised corner to them, which should protect from drops and things like that. Like I said, you can watch my full review here if you want to, and it goes more in depth about the bioveg cases. This is honestly what I would like to call the coffee shop phone case. I just feel like this is perfect for like a cafe, like sitting in a Starbucks and having like a neutral minimalistic outfit. it. I just think that would hit so hard. And it's so good for people like me who love neutral colors but want to switch it up from the black. I really like this one a lot, and I love how it has my name like that. And I chose white text for this one, and I just feel like it looks really good. Next up, I have two pink cases. So this is actually the custom background case. I customized this on their website and made it pink. So they actually do have an option to do like a solid color background if you wanted to. And for this one, I also used the dot font, and I just put SC in the middle, and it looks really clean. I did light pink text, so it kind of like goes with the all pink aesthetic. And then the rest of the phone has black, so I like this because it looks really good with the black phone. It kind of like blends in and just lets the pink shine on its own. And with the custom backgrounds, they do have other ones. Like you could do like a chevron print and like a camouflage print, I'm pretty sure. And then they had the solid color options, so they did have other colors too, but obviously I had to go with pink. Pink is one of my favorite colors if I had to pick like a real color, so that's why I went with this one. Honestly, on this one, the customization makes it because it's like the star of the show, you know what I mean? This one is really cute and very simplistic, but still stands out in your outfit. And then lastly, I got this custom photo collage one. These are actually pictures from when I went to Italy last summer that I took, by the way. They just look so cute on the phone. It's actually insane and so cool that I can like carry those memories with me. So this is on the pink bounce case, and I just think it looks so good because in my photos there's a lot of different pinks and just bright kind of like vibrant colors in the pictures, so I feel like it looks really good with the pink case and they really complement each other. And it's just so cool that I can like carry the vacation with me. For my pink cases, I decided to go with like a summer inspired outfit, kind of like you're spending a vacation in Italy kind of vibe. That's what I was going for here, and I just know this outfit is gonna serve once it starts getting warmer again. And it really is crazy how much the phone adds to the outfit. Like it really is helping to kind of solidify the vibe that you're going for. I could see myself using this one when I'm like laying by the pool, or it's just a nice day out and I'm running errands. And the bounce cases are just so fun because they're very like unique looking. It's very CASETiFY, you know, like they really stand out, especially with these super raised corners on the sides. And I just think it's really cool that you can put your custom pictures on the CASETiFY cases. Like the fact you're doing it with CASETiFY and you know already that their cases are good quality, it's like you get the best of both worlds because they don't specialize in just the customization but also the cases themselves, if that makes sense. So I would definitely make another one of these because this is just so cool and you can almost like carry your memories with you with the case. And another thing that I think is cool, if you're someone like me who upgrades their phone every year, you'll remember this like, okay, these are my memories with the iPhone 16 in my iPhone 16 case. You know, like it's just really cool. So it's kind of like a little bit of a museum on my case. So that was my CASETiFY haul today and lookbook. I hope you guys liked it and got some inspiration. I think it's so fun to customize your outfits with different cases. It really just adds to the vibe. And if people judge you for that, they just don't get it. So that will be everything for today. I hope you guys liked it. And if you want to shop CASETiFY and customize your own cases, you can use my link. Just go to casetify.com/SophiaCamarda and you'll get 15% off for a limited time only. I'll see you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching. Bye!